Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with
Jason.
your name Jason today?
Yeah, Missy said that they are picture half guard.
Whoa. I'll be recording 10 things that we don't like about each other. So since it's my channel, I'm gonna have my guest going first.
Okay, my turn.
Yes.
You ready?
Number one.
You hold on, before you even start your video, you can manage the truth.
Yes.
Boy. But I want to tell you what I like boy and then after the video you choke me to death with it.
No, it's not gonna be like that. Come talk.
Alright, the first thing I like about Angel, she too easy for vex. She too easy, yo, me moody, but you're too easy for vex. And if you stop to be easy for vex, I'm easily annoyed, but you can't make me vex so easy. Me easily annoyed when me like...
Stop talking about women that like, boy, come, give me a jam.
Hey, but you're too easy for vex, man. Jesus.
Alright. I'm not like that boy either.
No, I know your time, or my time.
Get done talk.
Okay. So,
I'm not like that boy Jason either. Me honestly think him too easy to vex. I'm considered as easily annoyed, but me think him just love keep malice. Me not like that.
which one of them? Easy for vex or I love keep my life?
Alright, that's how too. Alright, him easy to vex.
Yeah,
as well.
You do so much stuff to annoy anybody that easy to vex with you. You're lucky you're cute and you look good at your tango. You see when my time good girl and you live long time.
So that's a wonder.
Cause everything more you hold me but you just annoy me. But yeah, it's not going so. Anyway.
Number two.
Next thing we not like boy.
So we not like the truth, him devotion.
I don't much boy there anyway. Alright, something you ask much question. Jesus Christ. Babe, me I go half a tree go do something. Alright, so babe, when you go this way, you go take taxi go this way. Babe, me have to take a taxi go this way. So when you reach this way, you go, babe, stop do that. Yeah, boy me up. I always feel like your boy. Me know see babe, I know you care. Ianja too, Ianja.
There, just me love asking much question.
Love ask, babe.
Mine is straight too much. Just answer
Nah,
a
straight.
question because this is going to belong.
Me you love ask question too much, babe. Big man thing.
Number two, me think you're too, people can be moody, but me think just way too moody.
It doesn't mean if you vex and no. Alright.
Yeah, vex and moody are two different things. You're moody bad.
Suppose me bipolar, you don't know.
No.
But just ask you. Suppose me bipolar, you don't know. You see? Have pity upon the blind man.
Him.
Oh, so you hear me now, 30 video like that.
Wait, let me tell you. With the whole thing about Jason saying me ask too much question.
Oh no, you don't address what me do, you know.
Yeah, address.
Yes, see? She vex.
With the whole thing, it's like me just care about him so much, and then because let me tell you, since I don't know, let me tell you from now, babe, when Mary just start talk, and this is the last time, this is first and the last time I go tell him. When Mary just start talk, Mary could have got everywhere people did still know you, but at the same time, them never did. It never did so much like now. So when Mary got, it's like it is okay. One and two people say, well, Razor Blade gone. Now it's way different from that, especially with the viral video. It's way different. There is never a time when me and Jason go up on the road, but people don't know Jason. Even Montego Bay we go, and me frightened because we get the same amount of people knowing we like when we did there in Clarendon. And them stuff that just really surprised me. So it's like me not scared because you have people who are really showing respect in the streets. Like even the guy in Montego Bay, him just come up to you and him a shake you and him a say, yo bro, and stuff like that. It's like them stuff they're nice, but at the same time it is scary, you know. And me did it as a girlfriend and see them the stuff there take place, and I'm a girlfriend, me I go think, me I go say, whoa, this no good or whatever. That's why me want to make that big sacrifice to the car and stuff like that. So with me asking and stuff like that, it's like me scared, and at the same time not only scared, me not scared. It's like I'm worried. Me just want to know say you're not go lay, you know. If I did have a car, it would have different, babe, because you know me not check up on you every day. Babe.
No, if you check up on me,
No,
that's that, you know.
but in all honesty, me call and check up on you every minute.
No,
I don't do
first time
it.
it different still.
First time it is different.
What I know is, me not say they check up on you, babe. Me will tell you, say, babe, me I go half a tree go do that. And
Yeah,
then me call
because
you
I'm
and tell you, and then me like, yeah, plan my footstep then, babe.
Me not plan,
Like
me
I
just
said,
a
so you go out
help
this
you.
year, I take that bus we go half a tree, I take the bus to go.
Yeah, because I really don't know.
No,
I
yeah.
don't know.
Yeah.
But just ask questions. I mean, trust me, I can't stop.
I don't know, stop, babe.
I can't stop.
You're
if
OD,
it,
you're
no,
OD.
babe, if it annoy you.
It's next right now, number one.
Babe, I'm not upset. Stop doing it.
Let me tell you, we have a perfect surprise for you. And it's like, me can't. We come in with a perfect surprise. Oh, so big boy in that bag. You ask too much questions. You make it awkward.
I'm curious.
You're too, you're not really curiosity, but you're OD. Sometimes even some like simple thing, like I just want to wake up and just give something that morning. You blow a surprise. But on the wrong state, babe. You're good. You're time.
Love the video, and I always watch it back, you know. Alright, the next thing I don't like about you is, I think,
Basically, your answer told me, I said, me are going to make you
No,
talk
no,
next.
no, no, me
Yeah,
not-
No, me make you talk
no,
next.
no, no,
Why?
me not
Why?
answer
Talk.
what you say.
Huh?
I feel like say, sometimes you're OD when it comes on to small stuff. I feel like you overdo it sometimes. Like, I'm if you explain it. Me hear that about you. You always like take one small matter and blow you out of proportion.
Why that so like you look in the mirror so? Babe, yes when
This
you
is
come.
what me talk about.
Well, I know, yes when you come to you, babe. Yeah, you know. Enough of this small sitting there. Me honor to the fact where me just ready for blow up because I shouldn't have to repeat myself so much time, babe. Some simple things, babe. You blow the box in my ears and you record it. I'm a cuss. You do it again.
I 2 times a
Me
day.
say, babe, why, babe? Me tell you, say, yeah, laugh like you think, say,
No,
funny
you
like
never did tell
friend.
me say I've nothing to do with that.
Babe,
here.
I said it the first time. I said, babe, it wasn't.
You never did say
Babe, I said,
me have proof.
I said it the first time. I said, babe, I know say me frightened. I know that I did you blew the box, babe, and it, you see?
Me see what?
You see?
Baby, you
So
frightened.
why
Admit
it's why little
it.
things have to go far.
Admit
If you say, take up the towel. Take up the towel. Take up the towel. You know, it's most like it that will be, take up the towel. Babe, you blow the box on my ears, babe. And I said, babe, it's not about you being frightened, me, no, babe. You blow the box and the box is loud. And you blow it
The
again.
box not loud. Who remember this from primary
You
days?
see, something so hazardous as that, babe, you shouldn't want to repeat that to your partner. Already I tell you, say, when it comes to my scene and my ear, I feel like it a dull down, babe. And you have box box. And if after your boyfriend reacts so badly the first time, why do that the second time?
I never react badly first time. I said
I never react badly.
Yeah, so he kind of overdo on like small stuff like him now, like with the comment section, him a go blast the person we agree.
You know,
But yeah.
you know, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to answer back to you now. You know, with you, you don't like it. It's not people, you know. I find out, say, oh, you look for me, you don't look for me like your boyfriend alone. You respect me, you listen to me, so you look for me like a father figure. Anytime I talk to you, babe, it's like, no, I think talk to you, but true, I right thing me, I say, you listen. Babe, you know, say, I have no freaking thing, but talk to you about, and it's like, see ya. I talk to you, I'm going about my business, because from me telling the truth, I'm not busy boy, you know. See ya, it's like you sit down, you're basing upon that, I say, I truth, you look ugly boy, I talk to you. And you come. Why you talk to me so hard?
Because I'm like that, I'm loving.
I don't know what doing that party.
Because we
No, we
listen,
not
but you're
talking
not
about
going
the
to hear
first
me
part.
blast up on
Yeah,
you.
we're
We
not
just
talking about the first
go.
part. We're not talking about the last part, babe. Yeah, you don't like when people talk to you. You know, your face that.
Yeah.
You don't like when, but really, you don't like when babe. You can't manage the truth now, but in fairness, you don't like when me tell you the little
The
stuff.
least I can do is that because this is sad. That video I gonna make me emotional.
Don't get
like
emotional.
me live with just honesty. That's the truth. Because it's like me not have nobody else around me where I go tell me like how it is. So the least I can do if it hurt my feelings, me can go blast up on him and say, the what me have to do is
You cannot.
because
I'm
regardless
not gonna listen to you.
of the truth, so me have to just stay one side and say watch him. It's pumping my nose. And then just, so yeah. I always do that for true, especially if it hurt my feelings.
How much that me gone? Come on the roll, you know.
And then we go hug him up after.
You know, no like your next now.
No, I'm me, man. I'm me, sir.
Me happy with that one, you know. Baby, me want to post. Give me a chance to strive.
Alright, what I not like with Jason is him too aggressive. Not towards me, but the fact say like if Jason and somebody have something, babe, I not lie.
No, me listen to that.
If you man somebody have something on me, I say, babe, just forget about it, calm down. No.
Yo, you just come to the point where somebody will diss me, I'm look on it. Yeah, just, no, babe, no look on it. Babe, come on. You know, say me make you tough up now when I like, babe, but babe, you did soft, you know. Babe, everybody that walk over your first time, and that me did here. Yo, yeah, don't say me aggressive too. Cause babe,
aggressive man.
If me the aggressive right, you have enough boy get off.
See, I like them things there. Let me talk. Just aggressive if him and somebody have something or somebody do something up like him with like get out upon them or tell no not get out upon them but he will be brutally honest and sometimes that is good and sometimes it's not good.
Yo.
Sometimes say babe just calm down and forget about it. Just no one calm down.
You see if me mess up every friend me have to tell me the truth. Cause I do a lot of foolishness and when people tell me the truth me be quiet and listen. You see if you mess up with me as a friend me ain't gonna give you the full blade.
Yeah, babe, me know that, but you're straight from what me I say.
No, but you say well, I know you say sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, babe, and that's to me that's a wrong thing, you know. If me your friend, and my mouth not smell good, you're gonna make me go in the public and people tell me some more things, I ever say razor. You see me I say, I them think they freak up friendship, relationship, everything. You have to be honest. You see, if you be honest in a relationship, yeah, if me tell you, baby, no, I don't like when you do that, you're not going and you take it, and you not have to make me the day I say to you, say, sure. And when you look, you know, you just think, so I kiss my teeth and say, sure, then me day in the roll, I tell the next girl, say, boy, I don't like when Angel do this, you know. You see, I tell you, come, I not be honest with you. Because did I complain to my friend about a situation when I could have just tell you, but you see, because you don't want to hear. But you see, because you don't want to listen, I have to tell my friend, I don't like that. So you see, because me rather tell you the truth and make we have a conversation, they don't like when I do that. They keep on having because if me do say you don't like
and that people really me because with me, it's like,
it's not funny, you know.
That's not a lie. I can't admit to that. But with Jason, like being in the relationship for so long, it's like me not say him aggressive for me. Me not say nothing because if him happy, me get him happy side. If him hungry, me get him angry side. If him sad, me get him sad side. Cause me enough bad. Me not see him sit down and look sad and me not ask him what do you.
Answer this though.
Sorry.
In our relationship, who you feel it though? Because when you sad, I have to deal with you, you know.
Yeah, so that's what me normally do. So me not go say him aggressive for me, but the fact that me always talk to him and me I say, babe, make that turn, man. You understand? He don't want it. Like him going at this incident one time and me I said to him, him come and tell me what, man. Me I said, babe, just go on over. So
me a bad man.
Guess what me start to know? Bad. He wants me to road. Babe, me I tell her do it, please. I don't like that boy, baby.
Thank God for you still for choose, baby. Thank God for you. If I were you with that chip.
With me, him we get aggressive, but I don't feel like I'm aggressive. I feel like I'm more like moody. Him say annoyed, but
yeah, so I do something though. I left it to God.
Man.
Baby, but you see how when the boxy box, baby, me I say yo. No, remember I want them recent, baby. Yo, like
comment below if you not used to do that.
Yeah, no, that thing, baby. You see, to me, I feel like as a boyfriend, you think about my feelings, but I find out you think about it in a way where you think about me, you know, but hear this now.
Yeah, Ella, she cute.
I'm chop Jason upon his finger. I love him, see. You know, nah, do him not, but then I saw you think about my feelings. You need to tap me that. I'm slap him in the neck. I'm on your name. I love him, say, bow. I saw you think about it, babe, but you need to stop that because we have feelings. And I find out a lot of women in the comment section act like some no feelings, but I saw you go. I not gonna ever respond to them. Ever. Like, I respond to one woman one time. I not do that again. Because we have feelings.
That's the next thing when me I talk about aggressive.
That, babe, that's not aggressive.
No, babe, not aggressive. Not aggressive.
Well, then you feel like anybody will come and buy my YouTube channel and give me hate. You feel like if you tell them none of them things, they in them face, they wouldn't answer me back. Lord God. So we'll have to be about it's a response, a human feature that you this me might this back.
Alright, I get it.
Next thing I like about you know, lady. I tell you. You have them mixing a maybe, man.
No, sir, you could have killed me.
Next thing. They win our really.
Come on,
Better. Next thing I like about Ian. She'll okay that. And that be the time I first before you chat about it. Next thing I like about Ian act like I'm supposed to argue back with her. Ian will come in the house and one rapid tone. I'm going to step on. And this will always be people. Alright then babe, sorry about that, yeah? She look. I said, baby, alright, I'm sorry. I'm genuinely sorry now, I said, let me fix it. Baby, it's not about... And when me say, alright, babe, calm down now. And she don't calm, me just go so.
I hear that.
I find out say it's a woman thing. It's a woman thing, but find out say this me do this, you know what this means.
But hear that, and then next thing I'm
you
hear
don't even
about
exist
him.
in the galaxy when me do this. And she don't, me find out say you want me argue, babe, and I'm not about the arguing life.
I don't want you to argue, babe, but
You want
you
me-
man up.
Am I up that? You
Man
want me to
up.
grab any coffee?
No. Alright, me hear that about Jesus because me we are talking to him about something and him just said like this.
Babe, that is wusa, that is focusing, that are meditating.
Babe, me are talking to you, you meditate.
Babe, this is one next thing that I like about you. You pay your fingernail all the time and you always strip it down. You know, babe, you save money, but you waste money. You can say that?
It's calling me a spend.
Spend, save. Nah, you save, spend. Babe, you save so good. But babe, you just do your fingernail if you come out.
Babe, me have a people
Ah,
all
you're
the
cringing out to that.
time.
You're cringing out to
I
that.
have a long.
Just take off when you're done, that's cringe, man.
And it a bother me.
Tell me something you like about me.
I don't like you chat too much.
Yeah.
He can't chat to me hear about him. He can't chat. Yo, Jesus can't chat. Me can't chat to you. But I just feel like Jesus all deep and they chatting. Next thing, you're too loud, bro. Me I'll go off. Bro, you're too loud. Like, me just so me can't talk. Babe, you're too loud. So take it tone down. I understand to your man voice. But Jesus, man, I like, Jessica can't chat. Let me tell you, Jessica can't chat bad. In talk too loud. Me hate the fact that Jessica have to talk so loud to get across the point. Not only that, even in my reason with your friend, Mario. Every time, next thing, me hate oh you chat bubble gum. Me I got the hell off. Me hate Jessica chat bubble gum. It annoying.
No, I chew bubble gum loud in general, but a lot of people don't know say I chew it when I'm hungry, but I chew it to annoy people. But you may try to catch it, that's why I try so loud.
But babe, overall, that's why you chew bubble gum.
But baby, you know say,
Even on a good day.
Hold on, answer this question more, because you just go off and analysis. How often does you eat one bubble gum?
You don't eat bubble gum a lot. That's one.
But babe, don't you wait? I think you did identify this about me, babe, even before me about myself. You know, say when I'm hungry, I eat bubble gum.
Babe, that is not the thing. That's another
You're
thing,
listening
babe.
to me?
Yes, babe, I know you don't eat gum a
You're
lot, but
listening to
guess
me?
what? You don't always eat gum when you want to annoy me.
No, I chew it. You don't get it, I chew it loud to annoy you. Don't eat gum to annoy you.
So why you do it to annoy me? Why you reason?
Because you do enough things to me and I can't tell you some my girl.
Yeah, but what about the times when I depend at the mood there?
Trust me, I have memorabilia. I just remember something we had a long time and say, oh.
That's why next to me here with Jason.
It's like remember
He
the
always
box
try
box.
to disrespect my intelligence. Next thing I'm gonna like him sleep to make you feel like you're guilty. So Jesse and
No, sir.
so Jesse and night time in
I don't know if you just there.
Bro, I sleep, you sleep. Relax, see
Well, I know. You tell me this. Some as an individual can't sleep without somebody find fault. I be sleeping, bro. That's all. You know, you don't like me, you're annoyed at me. Bro, I was sleeping. That's how I sleep.
If me I come Jason here, he might sling and ball like me, I kill him. I don't know. Wait, let me have stuff for you for eat. Jason not ball like you're dead, bro. I hear it. I have to come. Trim then. You sit down. Ow, Andrew, you jam me here. And you know me tender
You
headache.
cry, so that's all I
Me can't do no better. Come here, Jason. Not like this boy, Jason. Me as a girl, look at my eyebrow. Look at Jason's eyebrow. Goals. Look at your eyelash.
Find out your bad mind me.
Goals. Look at my little shot on them. Could it? On my ear. Look at your nails. Me hate that. Look at your nails. Look at my one. Show yours. Smell that order.
That's what next minute you like. Backside, man.
My baby.
Stop beaming me up.
My sugar doggy.
Yo, that's the next thing I like. You keep on too much name, man. Let me name me that day of ugly book again. Yeah, pop me up.
My snuggy doggy. My snuggy pop. My daddy bear. Skunky. You have anything else right here for me?
I never said me here, no, boy. You alone.
Alright,
You
you have
alone.
anything where you dislike for me?
I say everything good, mommy.
Baby, I have something else, man.
Me? No.
Honey, eyelash, you use tweezer, pick them out, you know.
Actually, enough of them gas me eyelash, you know, because it's turned.
Close the eyes. On the right bumper, I hurt me so. But yeah, that's this little video. Take a little turn, but I don't hate much, I don't dislike much stuff about you. I don't dislike much stuff about you. Like them stuff that can always change. You love me? Why?
She's asking too much questions. Asking too much questions. She's just asking too much questions. This girl has to make me know about every day and then ask her why every day.